Are you tired of hunting through Elementor's menus just to add a simple tab layout? You'll master tabs in 3 minutes, from setup to advanced styling. We'll start in the Elementor editor, then walk through each menu section: General, Tabs, Content, Style, and Advanced. Follow along and click exactly where I point. Start by heading to the home page and opening it in Elementor.
Then, click on the highlight element to select it.
Click on the General option. Click on General again to open that section, and then choose Tabs from the options. Now, click on tab number 1 to select it. Then, hit Add Tab to create a new one. Switch over to the Content tab. Then, move to Style to adjust the look. And finally, click on Advanced for more settings. That's it for adding tabs. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.